You know what makes me proud as a parent? Seeing my child excited to go to school every day. Every day my child learns in a smart classroom. The learning is fun and engaging. No more, I don't want to go to school at my house. And the teachers? My child calls them super teachers. They use tablets for interesting teaching methods to help understand concepts better. My child even comes home and teaches me what they learned. How amazing is that? The smart curriculum is also incredible. It's not just about memorizing. My child is learning to think, understand, and grow with high-quality books. The best part? I can see the change in their grades, their confidence, and how much they enjoy learning. As parents, we all want the best for our kids. That's why I'm so happy my child is at this school. Smart learning isn't just a fancy term here. It's what every child deserves. Want your child to love learning too? Visit this school to learn more.